Are you okay? Are you okay?
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Very good. You look very nice.
I'm going, no, look at this.
Bam! What's happening at school today?
It's 100th day of school, so we have to wear sports equipment basically. But the only thing I need to add to this is cleats and long socks.
It's true. It's true. I would have any.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, how come you get cleats for Atlas, but me never get no
Tell
cleats?
you the truth, it's Auntie Leanne giving the cleats. Yeah. Yeah. Let me see your jersey. Whoa. Liverpool. Turn around. Let's see the back. Oh, Man U.
Manchester United.
Atlas. Oh, and who that? There's my Liverpool boy. Ozzy, let me see the back of yours. It says Baby Oz.
That's just baby.
Why number 5? Why them never give him a 9 or a 10?
That just says that with the dummy cat.
No, don't say that.
No,
to
them
Punch
give
up.
Atlas a 10, you know. They give Atlas the Messi number, you know.
Shoot them.
I wish I got number 7. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Today is their 100th day of school and they always celebrate it at their school. And they celebrate it with like activities and action and movement. And so today they're doing their sport. Sometimes it's like a wacky vibe sometimes, yeah. But they always celebrate 100 days of school. So yeah, we made it to 100 days of school. Just finished at the gym. And I almost didn't go to the gym today because I was so tired this morning. But I pushed past it and just said, nope, let's go, you know. And this is what I have learned at week 5 of showing up almost every day for the gym, is that you never regret going. I am a reformed gym goer. So yeah, it feels good to have just spent that time on myself, for myself, and you know, I think it's making a world of difference. I just need to get back now on top of my nutrition because I feel better when I eat differently. Not better, not worse. Not when I eat better or eat worse. When I eat differently to how I'm eating now, I feel a lot better. So I'm gonna try and get back on that train and go from there. So yeah. Also, last night, you can't see it now, but my sister cut my hair for me. I chopped it all off, guys. Which also is a really nice thing to do sometimes. You just kind of just get rid of all of the things you were holding onto, even your hair. So I chopped it off. Today I'm going to go to the salon with her and I'm going to put just a few little highlights in there to just, you know, lift it up a little bit. But it was just what I needed. So I'll show you guys that later. It's going to be a great day. This is why I like to work out, because I always feel like it's going to be a great day. Oh no, I just remember tomorrow's Ash Wednesday, which means you're watching this on Ash Wednesday. Happy Ash Wednesday, but it also means I'm home with the kids. And they're off until Monday. Pray for us, y'all. Alright, see you in a few. Let me through. Thank you. Anything coming? Okay. Wait till I get my body right. I just stepped through and I said, hi, mommy. Oh, you see the cat? Hi, honey. I wish I captured those smiles that she gave me a while ago. Don't you, Momo? Hi. Oh, you're looking at the cat. That's Pancho. The cat says, meow. 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 You try, Ivy. Punch, everybody wants you. You ready for your morning song? Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning to you. Baby Ivy. Hands up. Let's see those hands go up. Yay! Good try. Hands up. You try. Yay! Good job. Last thing now. Taraji, Taraji. Ivy can do the Taraji, Taraji. No? Okay, they can't now. We get both. So right now, Momo is cleaning up. We found some fish that Mrs. Mitch had dropped off for us. She always gets some nice fish for us. And these are beautiful. These are snapper, right, Mo?
Yes.
And so we're just cleaning them up a little because these are the ones that we're going to roast later. So I will get the ingredients to get them stuffed and everything, and I'll make my family's special sauce that we always put on them, and then we'll do it on the grill. Also, kablow. Kablow. Like the hair. The whole outfit nice today, you know. I'll wait for Wayne so you can get a look. But yes, I feel so free. So I'm gonna go put a few little highlights in it. So just va-va-voom. I'm back, y'all.
So the boys had sports gears today. What you say them deck out in them something them?
The 100 day of school.
The 100th day of school?
Yeah, I did explain it to him, Marty.
Oh, okay. Me need an explanation too.
It's self-explanatory.
Okay, I get it. Yeah, guys, so we're up and about. I'm about to drop Tami to the hairdresser, and we'll have some meetings and stuff and some holy for up and you know we always have something to go on with. Guys, I got to cuddle with baby Ayla yesterday and it was awesome. She never want to come out for me. She sleep, I think it's a world record. She sleep on me. Me know my belly would have come in handy for something, you know. Me know I was building this for a day such as this. The baby sleeps, she sleeps so sound. Believe me. Yeah, man. I was so proud of her. I'm so proud of myself. Momo, you want to see little baby? She nice and sweet, you know, man. Watch her. She said forget her outfit. Hold on, people. Wait for the reveal. Bombat. It's a L'Oreal or it's a Paul Mitchell commercial, this.
Paul Mitchell did not commercial.
It's a Mitchell.
Okay. Tami, can go back again.
No, sir.
Okay. No, me not gonna tell no lie. You're 40, but you still look naughty. You still
5,040,000 naughty shorty.
She's 40 this year, people. Talk the truth. Comment section. Tell me.
Come, let's go.
No. Hold on. Come. Give me a stand up there. How much she really look like?
When you see them stand up there.
She don't look like she gonna be 40 this year. Give her age, people. Comment section. Give her her age.
Come, let's go.
4 picnic. Four picnic bring come. You deserve all of the income.
All of this getting edited out. Wayne, talk the truth. You like my hair or what?
I love it.
You do? I'm not love when I cut off my hair, you know. But me feel sprucey. I feel like it was just what I did need for just feel a little again.
Today I what again?
Tuesday.
Okay, you look like Wednesday.
You gotta stop make that joke there.
I joke. If you more, you look like a mix between Wednesday and Martisha.
It doesn't get better because you said that. They are people who are literally like vampires.
No, but the black hair and the something, and you just
My hair isn't black.
dark. Can I say dark?
Guys, it's hard to have self-confidence in this world. You gotta believe in yourself, even when people around you bring you down.
Seriously?
Even when people around you who you love bring you down.
Seriously?
Believe in yourself, y'all. Believe in yourself.
You ignored all of my compliments from
Weird.
last
Those
night
were
till
some
today.
weird backhanded compliments about Wednesday Addams. I don't know how to feel about that. I did not pick up that was a compliment.
Stop it.
Anyway, we do have something fun to do tonight, which we're looking forward to.
Yeah, we have a event, mentor night. We're going to be attending that. We're going to carry our tourist friends and let them see a piece of Jamaican culture.
Yes, indeed.
You know what I'm saying?
Indeed. All right, I'm gonna go.
How long you gonna be here?
A couple hours, but
Couple
Terry's
hours?
here. Terry's here. You think Rome was built in a day? You think it's easy to be this beautiful?
I thought happiness is a gift.
Not for me. All right, I love you. Have a fun couple hours without me. Bye. Bye. See you guys later. Just give me a 2,000.
2,000?
Yeah.
2,000.
What are you doing? Why are you filming that? Give me my money. You know, your Atlas to my bro.
Atlas was right. If Atlas was right, is he trying to tax me?
Give me.
So it's not even $2,000 I have, my youth.
Give me 3. Just in case anything, you know? Wait.
Think a government alone tax
me
people?
Never tax you more than that.
You think me a taxi? Think I worked on this? Atlas, you are right. Please excuse the bouncy they were in the heart of the town, you know. The road them not so pretty. But as me there I drive through, almost every road that I go on there's a new development. 3-4 stories, or 5-6 stories going up into the sky. Whole heap of building are going in a Kingston city of people. Whole heap of apartments and complex and all these things. What is good about it is that is a whole heap of employment for youths out there. You know, mason, plumber, security, everything. Have work, there's an electrician, all these things have work because of all of these developments, and it's a lovely thing. The more houses that we have is the more houses are available for youngsters coming up in the work world wanting to buy. Hopefully it will help to stabilize the rental costs and the housing costs eventually. I say eventually because the housing costs right now are super high. They're through the roof, and I know like the Jamaicans living abroad always keep their ear on the ground as to what it costs to buy houses and stuff. So I know you guys are in the loop as to what is going on where house prices are concerned, and it's really sad to know that the type of a house where a man would really aspire would or want to buy, most times his job doesn't permit him to be able to purchase a house like that, and it's really sad. And you wonder where the housing prices are going to go and hit a ceiling, or you know what I mean. But it has to though. It has to, and I don't mean that in a way where, you know, a man can see his investment and his real estate grow, but it's just crazy right now. It's not easy. A man really have to go hard right now. It's a big commitment to take on certain kind of mortgage and them thing that quite rough, but don't know. Life goes on, and you have to just put in the work. You know, it's more work, you know. But it is what it is, people. Anyway, I am on my way to go buy a little breakfast. I was kind of in limbo when I dropped off Tami. I was like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? And then I remembered I'm gonna eat or drink from morning, so might as well just hold the road like come up on the road, go buy something to eat and thing. Liverpool, you know, say Liverpool. I play Real Madrid today, bro.
I play games.
You play games today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I play games at school.
Okay. High five, my guy. Yeah. So you had a good day. Awesome. You my sweet girl. You my sweet girl. Hi, my sweet girl. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hands up. Hands up.
I be playing with her toy.
Hands up. Daddy, I'm playing with my toy. Eh?
Taxi? You like it?
You come back with the taxi argument. I love it.
Thanks. Put this in there for me. We have to go in the supermarket.
Oh, I get stuff for the fish.
Yeah.
People are the most ungrateful set of tourists they've ever. Mr. Chin gone with them and bribe them. Them don't even come over for dinner no more. Boy, I'm just happy to see you guys today. Mr. Chin, take out guest them. You feeling yourself?
She can't get over
Sure, our big sister saw her.
I told you, can you hold these lemons for me? Or actually, can you hold the okra for me?
Yeah.
That's okra, this one.
Oh,
Okra.
okay.
Can you say okra?
A crown.
It's actually okra. But we say okra.
A crown.
For TV. Guys, we're not going to be fighting over the
Well, guess
TV.
what? He has homework. No, I don't, and so do I.
Hey,
Yeah.
guys, whoa. Hey, no. Listen. Atlas Day will start today. Atlas will start today.
What I was saying is to just cut up the callaloo, mix it with the okra, and then just season it. And the butter. Yeah.
And drain it.
Wash it, cut it up, mix it with the butter, and then season it. I want to just show MTM this that we make in my family. Well, you guys will be used to this sauce when you eat like oysters maybe, but it's just vinegar, sugar, you can see it, scallion, pimento, and pepper. I said vinegar, I can't remember. And you just put it all together, and this goes over the roast fish. This is something, a condiment for the roast fish. I don't think a lot of people do that. And do it with the oysters, sometimes I'm even do the pickle that you do on what name there? Fried fish, but this is different and you should try it. In my family we call it grady. I don't know what them really call this thing, but it's delicious.
Mommy, I sweat though, man.
Hey,
Yeah.
Sweaty head, girl.
sweating, you working out? You working out, mommy? Hands up.
Yay.
Yay! Yay! Clap hands!
Clap hands.
Yay!
I've been doing it.
Clap hands. Yay. Them say she do a conductor thing with her hand when he's singing in the morning, it's true?
Yeah.
And so she
So beautiful.
Yay!
Yay.
I show her how to do it.
Yeah. You're a good big brother.
Family. Should my family?
Season pandi.
No, family. Should my family give me a little bit of gingerbread? Family. Should my family give me a little bit of gingerbread?
And the okra in
Go on with
this
it.
or no?
it's on the bottom.
Let's see how go on with.
Okay, so Momo very kindly cut up the okra for me, and then this is the callaloo and a little seasoning, and I'm gonna rub in the butter, mix it, and then I'll stuff the fish. If you've been with MTM long enough, you would have seen us do this before, so I'm just doing it again now. for being funny? Are you okay? Are you okay? Wait, what happened? What happened? What happened? You said, man, I thought you burned yourself on the stove, man. Why are you like that? I thought you burned yourself.
Mama, watch me now.
She just take the thing
She
off
just
the
cook.
fire, you know.
She Mama just cook. Watch me now. Like my recorder. Watch me now.
I'm not laughing.
No, I feel the heat that come up in the camera and say, blow, Momo, just do it, make the chicken it hot, right? So.
You're the worst.